time for a room tour.
Hello and welcome to 10114 on the Disney Destiny. Come on in. We have 3 little helpers today.
Yep.
Wave, guys.
Wait, no, I'm not. Okay.
All right, let's start here by the door with our lovely storage. Here we go. Here we go. So you have your life vest and you've got all this storage. You've got, ooh, nice pull-out drawers. Nice. You have a nice safe. Place for jewelry, which I think is so cool. Storage in there, great for shoes. And as you see, the light automatically comes on. Thanks, Disney. All right, and then this side, you have a little bit more space. You have your ladder. This is for the bunk bed, which we will be using tonight. And then we have some more storage up here and long dress storage. Lots and lots of storage in this ship. All right, let's start with the first restroom. Disney has 2, which is so great. So this would be the toilet area with the sink, lots of storage as well.
Want to do the flush test?
Flush test. I bet it's amazing. Let's see. Pretty nice. And did you see all the storage over here?
Uh-huh.
So these are great when the ship starts to rockin'.
Yep. We got a European plug. Actually, that's both, right?
That's both, yeah.
Nice.
Very cool.
Lots of storage.
The sink works.
Special soap. You got places to hang up your swimsuits, and look, even little shelves back here too. That's neat.
Very cool. All right.
May I have your attention, please?
Thermostat.
Okay, let's go into the second bathroom now. Get this light on. There we
Full
go.
mirror.
Full
That's nice.
mirror, which is great. Full bathtub. We love Disney and their bathtubs.
And with their glass door.
Glass opening door instead of a shower curtain. We love to see that.
That's always super nice.
Always super nice. Lots of storage. Adjustable shower, handheld shower.
Special soaps.
We love the Disney soaps.
Look, even two shelves in the shower.
Yep.
A removable shower head, and you got the clothesline. Goes across. Let's see.
Is that drawer?
Some storage down there, the trash can.
Oh yeah, is there a drawer down there at the bottom?
Nope.
Okay, so just storage up there.
A lot more storage shelves, and then look, 2 towel racks.
Nice.
Excellent. And then we got these here too.
These amazing storage, so great to put all the fun stuff you get on your cruises and all the, somehow you accumulate a lot of stuff. TV with all the updates.
It's a Samsung frame TV too.
My favorite blanket. One day I will own one of these blankets. I checked, this blanket is $395. So I will not be owning one, but I sleep with it every night on a Disney ship. So,
Big reveal.
big reveal. We got an Incredibles room.
Wow.
Look at Jack on fire. Violet's making her bubbles.
Wow.
Dash is running.
That's
All right,
great.
look, let's light up. Look, you can light up the artwork.
there we go.
Boom.
Even better.
There's a nice reading light right here, which is great. I don't know what down light means.
It says twist. Yep.
No, I was looking at this. So there's a light here and a light here. It's great.
And look,
And look
are
at
those USB-C?
USB-Cs.
Yes.
2 AC adapters. Our regular plugs. Drawer.
Nightstand drawer. Same thing on this side. This has the European
Has
one. USB-C and USB.
USB and the European plug.
Downlight.
I don't know what down light is. Oh,
I didn't see
it's
it.
turning the lights down. I get it.
Oh, okay. That's
Oh,
nice
I didn't
because
even see Frozone was on there. And the bad guy, what's his name?
Syndrome.
Syndrome. Very cool.
So this is the Samsung Frame TV, and even if you don't have Disney Plus, you can still watch a lot of Disney movies and TV shows and ship videos.
Does it have everything that Disney Plus has?
Not everything,
Not everything.
But-
Close.
all of these movies. I went a little
Nice.
too fast, but Yeah.
Those are just classic. Did you click
Yeah.
through all of them?
Look at all their different categories.
Yep.
That's
There's
so
a
cool.
bunch of different categories.
Yeah, so even if you're not a Disney Plus subscriber, you still get everything. That's cool.
Look on Pixar. Ooh, look at all these Pixar movies.
Heck yes.
Ooh, well, and this is all free.
Yep. So we have the room divider curtains, which is really nice.
I'm cleaning ice cream off my shirt because we already hit up the ice cream. Okay, so come on into the second side of the room. We have our vanity. There's the garbage cans. You have your phone up here.
More storage.
Lots and lots of storage. Another mirror. We have this drawer with all the stuff that we always take. Please take these home. Send them to someone. They're very cute. We have all these drawers. Hair dryer. This is so cool. I love this thing, so I don't always show this. This you put out when you curl your hair so it doesn't burn the vanity. Bougie. All right, and so then we have these drawers, which are very deep, very nice. Here should be our fridge. Yep, there's our fridge.
Nice.
Very nice. And another drawer.
So much storage.
So
Great.
much storage. Yep, lots of storage up here. We have this little guy. We haven't opened this yet. What's this? Look at this. We got our Disney Destiny Inaugural Sailing goodie bag. So we have, these are what the silver look like. Because we are silver. This is our last silver cruise. Next cruise, we will be gold. And then the big reveal. Let's see what bag we got. Cool. Wow. Look at that.
I like the colors.
Look at that. Wow, it even has little pockets inside. That's a really different one though. We've never gotten this one like this before.
Is that like a
pretty
magnet
cool.
thing?
I don't know what that, oh, I think it's for this. See, you clip
yeah.
it like that when you button it, when you zip it up.
That's cool.
Very cool. Inaugural sailing. So exciting to be on this ship. All right, so over here we have the couch that turns into a bed. They do that at night. They do 2 turn down services on Disney. 1 is like this, and 2, they will bring all the beds down. So what's so great is in the morning they put all the beds away so you can kind of have more space. Up here is the bunk bed. We have some more Incredibles art right here. Little comic pages.
Ooh, that's fun.
Lots of space. Look how much space I have. Twirling. All right, so this is a Murphy bed. So this bed gets brought down also at nighttime. There's more storage over here. All these shelves. It's great for a family of 5.
Wow.
Lots and lots of space.
So we also have a connecting door, which we are not using. And cute Jack photo here. And then this beautiful balcony. Let's check it out. It's actually a little bit bigger than most. It's a good 6 feet. Pretty comfy chairs and a little table. And then this incredible view. This is Castaway Cay.